Hi everyone. Today we are taking one question from ACT previous year papers. So it says the graph in the standard XY coordinate plane of each of these relations is shown below. So like there are some equation on the top. These are the equations which are given. And the graph of these four equations like 1, 2, 3, 4 are given below. You need to identify which one is representing a function. Well, to find out the function from graphs, we need to do the vertical line test. And what it says, to identify function, you just do one thing. Let's say I'm taking two different functions. For the first function, it looks like a linear line, y versus x and y versus x. The second function looks like this. The first function looks like kind of like this, a straight line. Vertical line test says you just draw vertical lines through every possible point of the graph. So if I draw this vertical line is intersecting the graph only at one point, right? Again, this vertical line is intersecting the given graph at only one point, right? And if you do the same process, you'll see every vertical line is just intersecting only at one point on the graph. So if the vertical lines are intersecting the given graph at only one point, then that's a function. It will be a function. Then this relation is a function. But if you draw the vertical line and it intersects the given graph at more than one point, you can see that it's intersecting the given graph at 2 points. So if it intersects more than one point, here it's 2 point, then it's not a function. And if you drew the same vertical line for rest of the graph, you'll get the same result, right? So that's not a function. That's not a function. So according to vertical line test, you just draw vertical line and see if it's passing through more than one point or not. If it's just passing through one point, then that's a function. If not, then that's not a function. Okay. So if I draw the vertical line through the first graph, so it's only passing through only one point, right? It's intersecting the graph at only one point, so that's a function. Next, if you draw the vertical lines, it's intersecting at more than one point, see? So it's not a function. The third option, it's a function, the vertical line test passes. The vertical lines passes through only one point, see? Just only one point of intersection. And for the fourth one as well, if you draw the vertical lines, it's intersecting the curve at only one point. So that's a function as well. So your option will be option 1, 3, and 4, which is in the option given as 1, 3, 4. So option E. Option E. Your desired option will be option E. That's it.